dominant kingdom. We're talking about Edo Kingdom being a dominant kingdom. All right? Edo Kingdom dominated Owo, Ifo, and Igbo country. Oboro, Umunede, and Ugeli, they were ruled by loyal vassals on behalf of the monarch of Edo Kingdom. Eko, now known as Lagos, they founded it and they so named it Eko. Some of you know that Lagos is called Eko. Eko means a camp for military expeditions. Become famous. Edo people were one in origin. They are still one in diversity. Get the gist. This is historical. What we just said here. Look at all of these are in other states, as we said. But they were under Edo Kingdom. And places like Oboro, which is Agbo, Umunede and Ugeli, they were ruled by loyal vassals on behalf of the Edo monarch. And even Lagos, which is called a camp for military expedition, Edo people named it, and it became famous. All right? So, Edo people were one in origin, they are still one in diversity. Now we'll continue and see how it spread. Igodo Migodo region could not Edo's confine. We told you the other day, Igodo Migodo is Benin City, but it's more than just a city. It's like what we call local government, Oredo nowadays, okay? It could not confine all Edo people. Thousands migrated away from the mainland. 1,000 people moved out to regions in Africa, far as Congo, Brazzaville. So when they moved out, they went to places far away, even unto Congo, Brazzaville. It was there, Oba Ewari Ogidigan, the invincible. In Congo, Brazzaville, Oba Ewari Ogidigan, the invincible, we mean Oba Ewari Ogidigan the first. Because we have now Oba Ewari Ogidigan the second. All right? In unhindered military expedition centuries ago, notice, unhindered, nobody could hinder the military expedition of the Oba of Benin, Ewari. He pitched his sword of conquest as a goal. In Brazzaville, Congo Brazzaville, Oba Ewari pitched his sword of battle. He pitched it in the soil of Congo Brazzaville as a man of conquest in those parts of Africa. As a mark of conquest, as a goal. There are some Edo people in Dahomey, now Benin Republic. Others went to Ghana, Sierra Leone, Gambia also. Even Spain retained earlier Edo ambassadors. Even Spain retained earlier Edo ambassadors because as far back as the 14th century, the monarch of Benin had sent ambassadors to Spain. And they stayed there. We are saying that they remained there. They remained there. Because some of them, we cannot trace their descendants in our kingdom as of today. That is why we say that Oba Benin is the owner of land from Igodo Bigodo to the white man's country. Oba owns the land from Benin City to the white man's country. I hope this is clear. Yes. So, Oba Nyato, everybody should say, Oba Nyato, it means Oba is the owner of land. From Benin City to the white man's country. All of us you acclaim together Oba Nyato. The king, Oba is the owner of land. So this is verse 3. Thank you.